What's on my hands here is the latest flagship smartphone from HONOR, which they recently launched at Mobile World Congress 2023. Thanks to the team from HONOR Malaysia for loaning this unit to me. Hi, my name is Joshua Wong. Welcome to Fast episode 86. I do short and fast tech reviews on this channel. That's how the name came about. Today we're checking out the new HONOR Magic5 Pro. If you're unaware, the HONOR Magic5 Pro is rated to have the best displays and camera by DxOMark while having the 2023 flagship hardware. Available in two color options, black and meadow green. It has a smooth matte glass finish on the back and man, it's one solid build smartphone. Stereo dual speaker with DTS:X Ultra and rated for IP68 water dust resistant. What I like the most about this device is the symmetrical design on the back until I switch it to the front, where I get bothered with the pill-shaped cutout notch position. Imagine moving it to the center and season with some Apple Dynamic Island features. The HONOR Magic5 Pro sports a 6.81-inch 120Hz LTPO quad curve floating display with a resolution of 1312 by 2848, DCI-P3, HDR10+, and a max peak brightness of 1800 nits. That's 15 nits more brighter than the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. The HONOR Magic5 Pro even has a dedicated display chipset for video quality enhancements and frame rate booster. Additional to that, the display also features dynamic dimming, circadian night displays, and low blue light certifications for eye comfort. The HONOR Magic5 Pro is equipped with triple 50-megapixel rear camera setup, a 50-megapixel 1/1.12-inch sensor size with a wide f1.6 aperture, a 50-megapixel f2.0 ultra-wide with autofocus that also doubles as a macro lens, while the 50-megapixel 3.5x periscope cameras is capable to have up to 100 times digital zoom, featuring the TOF and multi-spectrum color temperature sensor for more accurate focus and better color precisions. It's not all about the megapixel counts here. Instead, HONOR focuses on AI computations and optimization. This leads to improved user experience by offering snappy photos and video capturing. Switching between lenses also improved by a huge margin. The pill-shaped cutout notch houses a 12-megapixel autofocus camera with a 3D depth sensor for precise bokeh selfie if you are into that. Under the hood is the latest and greatest Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, paired with 12GB of LPDDR5X memories and half a terabyte UFS 4.0 storage. Do expect excellent performance and battery life from this chip. It also features Bluetooth 5.2 and future-proof Wi-Fi 7, which is yet to go mainstream. Packed with a 5100 mAh battery that support proprietary 66W wired HONOR SuperCharge, which the adapters comes in the box, and 50W wireless HONOR SuperCharge. It also supports 10W wireless reverse charge. There's no official pricings and availability for Malaysia yet. According to HONOR Malaysia, the launch is somewhere in Q2. Due to some embargo restrictions, cameras and performance review will be released in a separate video. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe, take care and I'll see you at the next one.